5 signs that indicate that your relationship is healthy. Throughout our love life, it is quite usual that we find situations in which we ask ourselves if what we are seeing or living is a healthy relationship or not. If it has not affected you directly, I am sure that on some occasion you have had a friend or family questioning this extreme. The fact that they raise it does not mean that their relationship is toxic, but in some occasions, it is convenient to pay attention to this doubt because perhaps it has more truth than what can be imagined. Do not take the health of a relationship lightly, it is something fundamental. But how to know if my relationship is healthy? How to distinguish between a simple couple crisis and a highly toxic relationship? 1. Respect. It is the basis of any relationship and the most important code to talk about a couple who can have a good future. In a relationship, respect means that each person values who the other is and understands the limits of the other person, assures the teen's health organization. 2. Good times. Both have fun being together. They laugh, they play, they plan the future. They count on each other to have the best times. This does not mean that they forget friends or family, just the opposite. A healthy relationship knows how to combine times with each other. 3. Communication. If a couple has good communication, they can solve any problem they have to face. Most problems in a relationship come from poor communication. Not listening, or attacking each other without listening to the other's point of view, is the consequence of a clear communication problem. 4. Admiration. Surely when they have fallen in love it is because they felt a great admiration for their partner. This is another of the fundamental elements in a healthy relationship. Love, trust and the look at your partner learning from him every day. You need to continue growing at his side. It is part of that force that little by little will unite you more to him. 5. Sex. According to a survey of 700 married couples for 15 years, 1/3 confessed to having abandoned sex altogether. This was revealed by Willy Pacini, founder of the European Federation of Sexology, assuring that if they were still together it was because they exchanged positive feelings such as tenderness, trust, esteem, reciprocity. Sex is fundamental in a marriage or in courtship. They must work to never fall into boredom because this point is also essential to living in a healthy relationship. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.